how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. Just busy with work. We're launching a new project soon.
That sounds exciting. What's the project about?
We're developing a new software for customer service. It's a big challenge, but I'm looking forward to it.
I'm sure you'll do great. What specific role do you play in the project?
I'm the team lead, so I'm responsible for managing the team and ensuring everything runs smoothly.
That's a big responsibility. How's the team dynamic?
The time is great. Everyone is everyone is well deliver a great product.
That's fantastic. I'm sure you'll learn a lot from this project.
Definitely, I'm hoping to gain more experience in project management and leadership.
Thank you for your time. Nice to meet you.
See you next time.